Hello everybody. Today I'm starting a new series called Good Coding Practices. The first topic that we're going to discuss is the variable and method names. As you probably know, names are everywhere in the software development. You use names for your classes, for your variables, for your methods. You even use them for your packages. They should be descriptive and meaningful enough to directly reveal what is the purpose of the particular variable or the method that we've created, and this is going to make not only your life easier but also the life of your colleagues that are working on the project as well. And also, if you have new colleagues that are starting working on a project, this will make also their life easier because they will be able to understand what you did with your classes and with your methods. And some people say that if you need a comment to describe what your method or your variable do, then you'd better change the name of the method or variable. This should not happen. The name itself should be descriptive enough to reveal its purpose, to reveal its intention. Let me show you an example. Okay, we have a simple class called sample class, and this class contains two variables. One of them is int called wd, and the other one is double, and it's called sal or sal. And we have two constructors, and we have one method called calc or calc, which has to return double, and basically it returns the division of sal by the wd. So probably this is some kind of a calculate method, but what exactly is it calculating? It's not descriptive enough. I'll tell you what the purpose of this sample class is. Well, this is a daily salary calculator class. Basically, this variable is the working days of the particular employee, and this is the salary that the employee is earning. So basically, this method will calculate the daily salary of the employee. Basically, it will divide the salary by the working days that the employee has worked. Let's say that 2 weeks later you need to reuse this code, this class, and you will probably enter in the search menu and you will probably search for something like salary calculator or salary utils, let's say, but you will find nothing because you haven't named your class as you have to. You haven't put a descriptive enough name that will help others find your class. Or let's say you are going to search for the method. Well, what was the name of the method? Like calculate salary, or was it salary calculation? You find nothing because you haven't put a descriptive enough name of your method, of your variables, and of your class. And what if we change this to daily salary calculator? Okay. And what if we change this to working days? Name them as well. And what if we change this to salary? Okay. Daily salary calculator. And what if we change this to calculate daily salary. Okay, let's try to understand what this class is doing now. Well, this class is called daily salary calculator, so this means that probably it will calculate the salary of an employee per day, right? And it has two variables. One of them is called working days, so it's clear that this variable is going to contain the working days of the employee, and this double is going to contain the salary of the employee. And if we look at this method, now it clearly describes its intention, like calculate daily salary. So this method is going to return double and is going to return the daily salary of the employee. As you can see, it's a good practice to put descriptive names to your variables and methods, because in the long run this is going to help you and your colleagues find the already implemented code, and this is going to prevent code duplication in the future. So your code should be like construction pieces with descriptive labels that are clear and easy to understand, so you can find the different pieces that you need in the future.